Hi, I'm Hart. Let me tell you some realizations I've learned from this community, especially in our latest webinar with Miss Jenna. The webinar is entitled Achieving Clarity in Life and Business. I believe that no one is an island. Miss Jenna mentioned the movie Frozen, and I recalled some of life lessons there. It's funny how we think we can do anything on our own, but the truth is, we need the help of others. The characters help one another to accomplish their goal to restore the Arendelle. In the end, all of the characters benefit from it. We can't do everything ourselves. Asking for help doesn't always signify weakness. It simply means that we're not going to let our ego get in the way of our success. Like Anna, I shouldn't be afraid to ask for help. We empowered Pinays talk about being a superhero. But to be a superhero, I must be responsible for the things that I will be doing. I should make good decisions and be responsible for my actions. I must use my failures to find new opportunities that will make me do better. And I can easily find focus and direction on what I want to do. Secondly, I should name my powers. We all have inner powers. They form as skills and talents. I think once we name them, we can easily know what do we really want to do. We can also know how we can help other people. For instance, I think one of my skills as a power is to cook. So I could use that power to open a restaurant business. How many people have been impacted by that power? If I open up that restaurant business, I can help my family and other people. H is to hold. It is important to hold in our skills and talents because it makes us easily clarify what we truly want. E is to effort. We must put effort into things that we want to achieve in our life. And by that, we must first develop our skills and talents. According to a psychologist who studies the relationship of effort and perseverance and success, talent is only one aspect of success. If we put effort into our talents, it will result in developed skills. And if, and if we put effort to use our skills, it will bring us achievements. We all have talents, but it is our effort to those talents that lead to our success. Time and effort are required for skill development. Our perseverance is what makes us successful in the end. R is to be ready. Upon taking steps towards our goal, we must be ready to face challenges. Everyday challenges are part of our life. These challenges act as a boost to our development. Certain accomplishments wouldn't feel as valuable if they were less challenging. When facing challenges, remember that they are opportunities that carry benefits. They call for our creativity, make us stronger, keep us humble, and amplify our achievements. And O is to be open. Be open to opportunities that will lead to achieving success in what we want to do and to become. I see myself soon as a CPA with various properties and business as my assets, helping my family achieve their dreams and helping other people. I am holding on to this. I will put effort to develop my skills by taking BSA in college. After that, I will take the board exam. And even if I face hard times like failures, I will always be ready to overcome them and be open to what is for me. am planning to continue looking for students who need to have a personal tutor. That way, I can help them recall what they study online or modular. As per what I've experienced, there are times that I am not able to engage in an online class because of different reasons, such as noise, house chores, or internet connection, etc. So, I believe that there are still numerous students who need a personal tutor, especially elementary students who study modular learning. Additionally, I will create my website for students who can buy books. I will call the website Hold, meaning students can hold on to that site for them to have new learnings every day. Hold means here all day, since you can visit it anytime. I will be uploading educational resources. Students can access it for free on their first month for a free trial. And for the next month, they will need to buy some resources before they can access it, for it to be profitable. However, the website has its limitation that only students who can upload their legitimate educational resources can get up to 3 months of free access. This way, the website will expand and it can help more and more students. And when I have the chance to have investors or clients, I will develop that website into an app where students can use it offline. However, for it to be profitable, that app will need to be in purchase first before you can access it online and offline. I will make sure that it is still affordable for students while making sure that it is worth it for my investors. For this problem to be solved, I need clients, which are the students who are having difficulties in this alternative learning system. Students from Bukawi, Bulacan that are aging from 5 to 13 years old can be my client for personal tutoring, while, people who are aging from 12 years old and above will be my client for the website that I will be creating.
Napakalaking bagay sa kanila yung touch. Siyempre, you cannot talk to them one-on-one. Minsan, kailangan kausapin mo sila.
As a student who also had a hard time adjusting to an online class and witnessed how hard it is to self-study and modular learning, I want to help my co-students to lessen their worries about this setup by being their personal tutor and by sharing my educational resources to students who can't afford to buy books. Specifically, I want to help students with learning difficulties, such as students with poor comprehension. A tutor is indeed different from a teacher. A tutor is a private teacher who provides one-on-one or small group instruction to individual students, while a teacher teaches more than 20 students at a time. A tutor may or may not have a teaching degree. I have friends and relatives that are also a tutor and a teacher whom I think I can work with. We can refer each other clients and work together on that website. This way, we can solve and improve students' ability to learn easily in this new mode of learning.